Alright, so I'm outside, and today what I have in front of me is all of the parts for the Last Word coffin box. And I'm just going to go ahead and start putting it together so we can build it. Because it's an interesting little design, and it's a little tricky, but as you can see, I've got two of these right here. I'm going to go ahead and take one of these dual panels, shove it into the bottom slots like such, grab some of our pins that I have like everywhere. I just made a bunch of extras, and through the bottom slots that poke through the wood, we're gonna shove pins in. Yay, pins. Let's do the same thing. Let's just grab the next piece, put it in the top, and then keep it in place and shove the pins into the bottom. And this is just going to keep everything in place while we put it together. Yay! A couple of these little guys, and these are a little bit different. They go up with the tabs on the bottom, and then the next ones are down with the tabs. It's kind of like a little overlapping shingle thing. And like with this whole thing, don't let it wander off. Shove the pins through the bottom of it to keep this thing from coming apart while we're putting it together. So, pins in the bottom. Man, we just keep on going. Pins, 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 pins. The next piece, we just need to get a couple of these longer walls, and we're gonna put them in at a slight angle like such, and just kind of pop them in. They don't go all the way through into the bottom. They're just there to kind of nest and keep everything aligned. But, like everything else, these pins are the key. Let's put this one in. Gently. Don't shove these in here all crazy like. There it goes. And pins. Your pins might slide around. They're not really the best for the actual coffin case, but they hold it together in the shelf form extremely well. Alright, so now that we're at this stage, we're just going to take the other two, and we're just going to put these pieces in like such, pin them to the top, and to add them, kind of slide them into place. Oh, no, I'm totally wrong. I'm wrong. We don't want to do it like that. We want to do it like this. This is way easier. Duh. Like such. Kind of like line them up. Well, we don't need that one. Line them up so it's stuck in the bottom. That'll keep it where you want it. Then add the top. Yeah, that makes it a million times easier. Do it that way. Boom. So that's one half. And then we do the same thing for the other half. You're just gonna go bloop, 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 pin, 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 pin. But that's how you're gonna receive it. Like most likely if it's a gift box or something, this is what you're gonna do first. To do the shelves, it's the same parts, same pins. There's nothing new added. Let's just picked outside because it's nice and bright out here, and my workshop light sucks, but y'all do get to hear my traffic going by. I'm sorry. Blah, make a mess, pieces everywhere. Alright. Blah, dismantled. But let's do the shelves now. Shelves make a little bit harder. So the shelves, we want to start with these two little guys. And what we're going to do is build TIE fighters. Kind of. I want to make little boxes with these parts, like this. And once they're all together, you guessed it, here come the pins. Actually, these ones, I do like this. Top and bottom pins, I kind of face outward. You can face them in, it doesn't matter. And then we put pins on the back of our little box, like such. Boop. So, and we're gonna make both of these and just get them out of the way. Lock that one in, put our little pins in. This one I'll do this way, why not? Next shelf. Back pins. They're everywhere. I've got so many pins. Alright, so we got two little TIE fighters. Now we're going to attach them to these. And that's pretty simple. These pieces are going to end up kind of like this. So we're going to attach to the back with them facing kind of inwards, these parts. And you guessed it, grab more pins, and I'm not going to put them all in. And let's get our next one. And our next one, yeah, that's right, goes like so. Just a couple pins, keep it from going places. And the sides, just gonna go right on the side. I don't know how to make this more convenient. And you guessed it, everything gets held together with pins, but that's how we build both versions of the last word. Kind of neat. I think it's a fun little shelf box. Not too complicated, but it could be a little tricky. Oh, there goes a pin. Yeah. Thanks for watching me put this crazy little shelf together.